Retry drinking Sprite without burping? I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I believe you. You think my family could drink this without burping?
You a crackhead or something?
She is a crackhead. Open up your Sprite. Ooh. If they fizz up, close it back. Oh. Didn't follow directions. 3, 2, take it downtown, baby. Let's go.
This was first.
My nose.
Just a little bit more.
Ooh.
And you about to burp. He's gonna burp. Oh, that one.
Hey, follow me on Twitch, AuthenticTeeCee20.